Hi there, beautiful. I'm so glad you stopped by and clicked play on my video. I'm about to do a little bit of organization. So a little thing about me, I love to shop. I always say like shopping for me is therapy. It makes me so happy. I cannot stop shopping. I think at this point it's an obsession. And over time and during my shopping sprees, I've acquired a lot of shoes. And I'm running out of space and I need somewhere to put more shoes and get my space organized a little bit better. You know what I mean? I'm sure a lot of you beauties can relate. So I got myself this nice shoe stand off of Amazon, and I will be sure to link it in the description so you can see what I'm talking about. But the good thing is I am gonna put it together for you to see tonight, and then I'm gonna pack some of my shoes on it because I have shoes in my attic. I have shoes above my clothes right here on some shelves. I have a shoe stand here that's full right now. I have shoes underneath my clothes. I have shoes down there, and I bet if I go in my basement I have shoes there as well. So I just need to get things a little bit more organized and get a little bit more space. So let's get started. By the way, before I get started, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I would really love for you to join my YouTube journey. I would really appreciate your support. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video. Come along and let's make this shoe shelf together. Let me know if you like it at the end of the video. Give it a thumbs up and you're free to share it with your friends. So welcome, stick and stay, and just let me know your thoughts. Those are all shoe boxes up there. I have shoes up there. I have shoes under here. I have shoes down there, shoes on the bottom shelf. This shoe shelf right here is full. And by the way, this is also my office where I work from home. And that's the attic up there. And I'm sure I can't go up there right now, but I have a lot of sneakers and boots that I've put away. I have those up there. So before I do anything, I am going to take this shoe shelf out. I'm gonna take it out and take those shoes off so I can get space to put my new shoe shelf in. I'm just checking out the instructions before I start building this up. I want to know how to do everything first. And this is the base of the shoe stand. If you notice, it has those black pins underneath the bottom to sit on the floor. The good thing about this base is that it spins 360 degrees. I really like that about it. This little piece of wood is the divider that will go on each shelf. There are 4 dividers for each shelf. And if you notice, I've put in 2 right there. I will show you later on in more detail how I attach these to the shelves. So these are the middle shelves. If you notice, they have more holes. This one over here is the top shelf. It has less holes, but we gotta have holes to attach these to the dividers underneath and then to attach dividers on top. So that's why the middle ones have more holes. And there's not much to it. It's not hard to put it together. You just gotta align those blocks of wood into the holes and then press really hard so that it's stuck securely into the holes. Same for the shelves. When you're putting them on top, you just gotta make sure you align them to the holes, align the holes to the dividers, the blocks of wood underneath, and then just press down really hard so that it is secure onto the wood divider that's underneath it. It's not hard. And these gloves, I'm really glad that they put them in the package because I didn't think I would need them, but while going through the process I put them on and I was glad I did because it protected my hands and it made the job a lot easier. Okay, I got it. So I'm on to another setup for another shelf, and you can see more closely right here. I am trying to just force that wood divider down into the holes on the bottom shelf, and I just repeat that process until I get all the dividers in. Here's a close-up of what the holes look like on the shelves and showing me just pressing it down to secure it into place. I had to grab a stool just to finish off the top because it was getting really tall, and I had to put myself in a position where I could actually press the shelves down so they are secure. I'm now down to the last shelf. Yay! The shoe stand is now finished. I really love it. It didn't take much to put together. It's really sleek and elegant and perfect to hold my shoes. Look at it. I'm just gonna add this little plant, you know, just a little touch of decor. Yes, just put that on top. It is beautiful. I really love it. If you're looking to find a space that's beautiful and just perfect to put all your shoes, then this is a must buy. The link will be in my description. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shelves. 7 shelves for shoes, and then I have this top shelf to put whatever I want to put up there. And then each shelf has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots to put shoes. I'm not a mathematician, but I know that 4 times 7 is 28. So that being said, this can hold 28 pairs of shoes. So now I'm just gonna put some heels on it. I plan to get another one because I really like how this one turned out. I really love it. So I want to keep this one for my heels and then get another one to put right here for my sneakers. Alright, so let me just stack some heels on this. You can pretty much put your shoes however you want on this stand. I started putting mine in this way because I can see them more easily and know when I'm getting dressed what to wear with what. But after looking at the picture on Amazon, I kind of liked how they put theirs, and I actually changed it. So you'll see that in a little while. Let me just go ahead and just clear all of this trash out and come back. Guys, I had to get my old shoe shelf back because I'm still left with a lot of shoes that I need to organize. And if you see up there, it's still filled with shoe boxes. They all have shoes. So I really need to get another one, but for now I'll still work with my old shelf. This is what it looks like, and now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I change the way I put them to the way they have it on Amazon. I've now arranged the shoes the way the Amazon picture has them, and I actually like it this way as well. It looks really sleek and nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you would buy this and which one of the design or the way I put the shoes on the shoe stand did you like best. Do you like it this way or the other way? But anyway, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Love ya. Bye.